Yes. Say hi.
No, you could pick like a better timing. You had to pick like when I just woke up and like look awful.
You don't look awful.
No, put the camera away. Put the camera away. Hey.
I'm here already, so I'll talk to you later, okay?
Have fun in practice.
Okay. So, Pinar is actually the reason behind this entire video, and we'll go more into detail after I get this working.
Okay.
What's up, dog?
I like the jacket, dude.
Thanks, man. Dude, hella people. What's up? You teaching them all?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Hi, guys. My name's Kai.
Derek.
Nice to meet you, Derek.
First
Kai.
president of the club.
How is Jet doing so far?
Terrible. I hate
I want to kill myself.
Keep going and thank you for coming. There's a bunch of people outside. Jet is teaching all of them. It's crazy. It's crazy out here. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to UCS Break-In special sessions. I think a lot of you just came in because you finished taking Jet's class, so give it up for Jet real quick. Thank you, Jet. Yeah. Thanks for coming. Use the floor. It's open to everybody. Yeah.
Just please be careful against spiritual awareness. We don't want y'all getting kicked in the face on your first day.
Dope session. Really needed that. There were a ton of people today. Raymond doesn't even usually come through the sessions. But Raymond came through the session.
Came through the session.
He did. And there were a bunch of new people. Jet taught them. Thank you, Jet. Wow, the club is getting bigger. It's crazy. Thank you guys for coming. And if you want to attend more UCS break-in sessions, just leave me a comment or reach me at, you know where to hit it. I'll put it up in the links, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, the point of this vlog, as I mentioned, is this. Nope, that's not right. There you are. It's this sketchbook. So I used to draw a lot when I was a kid. I have a few from high school. This is from League of Legends. I mentioned that this video is about Pinar, my girlfriend, and this weekend is actually going to be our first anniversary ever. So I decided that I would draw her something, and I gotta get that done by the weekend. So this will probably be a process. I used to draw a lot in high school, but I stopped when I got to college, and for these last 3 years, I really haven't been drawing at all. After a lot of thinking about what my future holds and what kind of skills might be helpful, drawing seems to fall into that category because, just like writing, drawing is another medium to tell a story, but it's one of those simple mediums where all you need is a pencil and a paper. So I'm starting from scratch, drawing all of these shapes and shading. Then I moved on to body parts, facial features, nose, eyes, trying to draw faces. Oh God. I can't wait to look back at this and hopefully, think it's bad, because if I get any better and I come back to this and I find it extremely bad, that means I should have improved, right? So let's hope that I feel that way next time I see it. But yeah, this vlog is basically about me trying to draw my girlfriend her anniversary present. So let's get to it. And if you draw, please give me critiques. Please feel free to poop on my work with all honesty and brutality, because I want to get better. And I'd really appreciate it if you have those skills and you want to leave me a little tip. I know a few of you who are watching. I got some friends who are very talented artists. La Boogie, I'm looking at you. If you're watching this video, hit me up. All right, let's do this. Also check out how awesome this coffee is. So I've changed locations. I got really tired yesterday after working for so long, dedicating this entire evening to perfecting this drawing. Let's get it. It's now October 20th in China, so it is technically our anniversary. I still have a few more hours, but because it is our anniversary there, Pinar and I are gonna watch a movie together. So, taking a quick break, gonna watch Up.
This right out of the library book. I'm gonna move my clubhouse there and park it right next to the falls.
It's crazy how we're only like 10 minutes in, huh? We finished watching the film together. It was a good time. Up is awesome. Everything else is practice. This is the frame. This is the first time I'm actually beginning to start drawing. Good morning. Getting started back up on this. That's what we have so far. I have Pinar muted so she can't hear me. Gonna ink it. A few ideas for the clouds, and then all of this is going to be painted like the night sky. Hopefully it'll come together. Nervous, because if you paint it you only get one shot, but still. So I finished inking it. It doesn't look horrible. I don't think that looks anything like me. When I dropped drawing in the beginning of college, I actually didn't shade at all. But playing with cinematography and filmmaking actually helped me understand a lot better how shading and light works. So now I get to apply that to my drawings, and it's pretty cool. So like, this is just one of those examples of cross-learning where you get to play with different mediums, and that actually gives you benefits and unique perspectives. So yeah, I highly recommend you picking up more than just one thing and trying out multiple things, because you never know what can come out of it. We're gonna add some colors now. While I'm deciding what color I want the shirt to be, I'm gonna start painting. I wanna make like a gradient background. That's what I'm gonna try to do.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow.
So finally, after a few hours and a month of preparation, getting back into drawing. Faces, legs, bodies, faces, legs. A little template. We finally got our final picture. Woo! Not bad. I also find it super ironic how I spent a majority of the last month practicing how to draw, but I really think it's the paint that makes the picture this time. Initially, I was gonna post this whole drawing this weekend, but I just realized that if I post it now, Pinar's gonna see it before she gets it in real life. So I'm gonna hold off on this. I'm really proud of how it turned out, honestly. I'm just very encapsulated by how I made this from a blank piece of paper. It's pretty incredible what you can learn on YouTube. Actually though. Pinar's address is in Chinese, and the first time I sent her something, I didn't recognize any of the characters. But this is the third time, and I'm starting to be able to recognize and write most of these characters, which is cool because that means I'm learning. It was super difficult the first time, but we're making progress.
Sure. Date, tracking number, which is the same there. And then we got a survey right there. If you're online, you can go tell us how we did.
Sounds good.
All
Thanks,
right,
man.
guys. Have a good one.
This video is a little off topic, but just wanted to vlog it out there, share a little bit of my life. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you take anything from this video, it's just that I highly encourage you to try out new things and play with what you're used to and what you like, and mix them with other things that you think you might be interested in, because it can make some crazy results. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go eat lunch now. Take care.